Welcome to the ESVConnect Certificate of Inspection demonstration. This demonstration has been developed for ESVConnect users to enable efficient navigation of ESVConnect and completion of electrical installation certifications. In the ESVConnect dashboard, click the My Inspections tab on the left of the screen. Then click on the license or inspection company in My Inspections. Review the inspection requests under your license or inspection company. Click on an EIC in the Inspection Request tab to review a certificate of compliance. Once you have reviewed the certificate of compliance, select the Actions button at the top right of screen, then click Accept or Decline Inspection. If you click the Decline button and then click Submit, the inspection request is returned to the person who initially made the request, and the EIC is removed from your inspection request in the dashboard. If you click the Accept button and then click Submit, the inspection request is accepted and the EIC is moved to the Under Inspection tab in your dashboard. To complete the certificate of inspection, select the Actions button at the top right of screen, then click on Certify COI. Complete all details as required, including test results and any attachments you wish to provide. If the certificate of inspection is to be certified as non-compliant or returned to the licensed worker for amendment or defect rectification, defects must be added to the certificate of inspection, then follow the prompts in the Actions Decisions area of the certificate. If the certificate of inspection is to be certified as compliant, complete the statements in the Actions Decisions section of the certificate of inspection and click Submit. The certificate of electrical safety can now be viewed and downloaded from the Review Read Only screen, or can be viewed in the My Certificates tab. To download a certificate, press the Download Certificate button at the top right of screen. Click on the downloaded file and you can view the certificate, download it and send it to your customer by email, or print and send by normal mail. Thank you.